Let's start with our top story, and this is Dozy. Get it? Doze as in dozy. And this is the one that I spoke about right in the beginning. This is actually a device that can track your sleep. It can also track a whole lot more that may be very, very important right now. The company claims it can even take care of things like tracking your respiratory problems, how well your lungs are doing, and a whole lot more. So at times like this could be a very, very important device. We took it through its paces, or should I say we took it through its doses.
COVID-19 has made us all anxious about our own health and the health of our loved ones. Well, one startup in India has come up with an innovative solution to measure your vitals without any contact. This is Dozy Health, started by a team of IIT graduates. So while you doze off, this contactless monitor comes to life and can keep a tab on vitals. The startup claims 98.4% medical grade accuracy. Now, those are some tall claims there, but this kind of tech sure caught our eyes in the time of coronavirus, where contactless solutions are the need of the hour. So we decided to put this to test. Dozy comes with a belt and this white monitor. The thin belt goes under your mattress, however thick the mattress might be, and then you plug in the device. The belt has to be placed at the chest level of the person sleeping. Now you download the Dozy app and connect using Bluetooth. Once you wake up in the morning, Dozy will give you stats on your heartbeat, respiration rate, stress level, and detailed report on sleep quality. The technology that backs this device is called ballistocardiography, or BCG, which involves the movement of the heart and also uses vibrations to track inhalation and exhalation, or when we roll over or even snore. The data is converted to biomarkers to monitor the health. The app uses information like age, height, weight to determine each individual's baseline on which to measure the vitals. In case the app finds some reading out of the ordinary, it sends an alert to the white device. The app can be used to track the health of an elderly person as well, in which case the person with the primary app will receive a notification if something is wrong. We did feel the best use of such a contactless device is in hospitals, where nurses can leave this on patient beds and monitor all vitals of several patients without going close. Dozy mentioned to us that this device has been deployed in a few hospitals in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. So what's the price for a good night's sleep for your loved ones? Well, Dozy is priced at 7,500 rupees and is available to buy off their website. It does save from the hassle of smartwatches or sleep tracking apps and does seem more accurate than most. It might be a good investment to make for an elderly person in your family in these worrying COVID-19 times.